guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Kiki, and today I'm joining Jamie from Board or Bananas on the Flipping Friday. And I'm so excited about this because I'm in the flipping mood, and you will see that a little bit later. And we're gonna make a couple of projects. I'm gonna flip first a sign that I made for Valentine's Day last year, and then I'm gonna make the second project would be a surprise. Now let's get started. This is a sign we will be flipping. I love it, but I need something new. We're gonna give it a good coat of Snow White acrylic paint and a matte coat of spray paint for those two baskets. First, we're gonna take our antique wax and we're gonna brush it like that, going the same way all over our wood planks, or white planks. And we're gonna brush it just like that so it gives the effect of wood planks, because we're taking this palette and making it wood again. This is how it's looking, and now I'm adding some of that antique wax to the sides so it looks wooden all around. And now I'm taking that family sign and I'm going to paint it using the antique wax like that. And after I finish, I'm going to grab those clothespins. Those are the mini clothespins, and I'm going to give it a good coat of antique wax too. And now I'm taking those popsicle sticks and we're going to cut 8 of those and just cut the corners. And of those, we are going to use 3 popsicle sticks and we're going to cut them in half. We're going to paint them black like that, and you will end up with 8 longer and 6 smaller, and 6 of those longer ones. We're going to add those cubes to the ends like that. And now we're going to start assembling our crate by adding the smaller sides to the other side of the wood cube like that. And now we're going to close our crate by taking another piece with the cubes and close it. Now we're going to stack them, all of them, and we're going to take 2 pieces of popsicle stick. It doesn't have to be painted because that's going to go on the back. And we're going to glue that to the back of our crate. Make sure it is centered and everything fits really nice. And we're going to add 2 popsicle sticks like that to the ends. And I'm going to cross one, and I'm going to paint it a little bit later, like that. And now we're going to add our foam, photo foam. And we're going to make an arrangement using greenery from Walmart. As you can see, I'm shaping my foam so it fits. Now, I'm adding those pieces to the ends, and I'm going to take my bush from Walmart and I'm going to stick that in the front of my floral foam. We stick that only to the front because the back part will be showing after you glue it to your sign. Now it's not a sign, it's an organizer. But you will see that a little bit later. And continue adding until everything is full. It looks beautiful. And then we're going to take that and glue that to our palette. Like that. And I'm going to paint that bottom foam and stick a little bit later. Now I'm adding the clothespins. We add those to the corners like that, and our family sign. And I'm gonna paint those letters because I would like them to show a little bit more. Now I'm adding some beads. Those are like square beads from Walmart, just like that. And we're gonna paint our family sign like that. Letters, and after that I paint the bottom of my crate, and that's it. you can see, our background changed a little bit, but I'm gonna show you that after this. And now I'm adding some wire to wrap around the back part of our organizer. As you can see, now I'm gonna give you a better look like that. And as you can see, I have the hanger on the other side. Don't worry, because we are gonna use more wire to hang it. Paint the wire and that's it. Repeat on the other side and you have a beautiful organizer. This is how my crafting table looked before. You remember it from past videos. And we will be flipping it by adding this contact paper you see here. And that's wallpaper from the brand Abby Sally. And now I'm gonna show you, we are cleaning it a little bit. And after that, it's clean and dry. We're gonna start measuring our wallpaper to our table. And after we have that measurements, we are gonna cut that. And just like that, we cut it and that's it. Now, we stick it to our table. And this is how it looks. I love how this turned out. And this is how it turned out. I love this cute organizer. I have my 2 baskets over there. Our greenery there on top. It's the Flippin' Friday. As you can see, this is how it's looking. I have my scissors, my glue gun, my twine. I plan to add a couple more things. I have my family sign, cute. And Flippin' Friday, so I can remember. And this is how it looks. I just want to take this opportunity, thank Jamie for bringing us this awesome challenge. I love how this organizer turned out. Look at that, it's just beautiful. And remember, if you like it, hit the thumbs up. If you love it, subscribe so you can keep on watching this type of videos. Take care. Bye-bye.